So I've never used packing cubes, but everywhere I read tells me that it is really something to consider. So I went onto Amazon and purchased two different types. And as you can see, it is pretty small compared to what you think it's going to be. But I read all about that as well. So I wasn't going to invest a lot of money since I have my own techniques. I use a lot of plastic bags for a laundry bag or for shoes, etc. But I thought this time I really needed to be much better organized. So my partner wasn't all that interested, but she thought the cacti in the pink was pretty cute. So I'm going to unwrap these and pause it for a minute and show you. So there are a number of the different bags here, and these ones, interestingly, have little snaps on them. You can see they actually have tabs in the inside so you can pull it off, and little handles. These look really cute, and I think they're going to be very useful when it comes to packing up. So the 6 that you get here are, again, advertised as waterproof, but sort of doesn't make much sense. So there's a mesh luggage one, large, medium, and small. The underwear one, the drawstring one, which would be good for shoes or laundry, and the flat bag. Okay, so now let's take a look at the other Proactive set. Okay, so these are my 9, and it's very similar to the other one, not quite as colorful, but again, they're advertising waterproof material. This is, for over here is the shoe bag, and this one over here is the drawstring bag. You'll notice that they have the same 3 medium, large, medium, small mesh bags. And then they have this one as well, which I'm not quite sure, maybe it's underwear. These, though, the cosmetic and medicine ones are quite handy. If you look, they have some very nice pouches inside and a zipper. And this one as well is a little bit bigger. Again, the zipper inside. What I've noticed about these, both of these, is they have really nice zippers that are double, so you can pull it from both sides. And I think that that's great with the handle. So there you go. I will tell you what I think of them when I've used them. And I'll also make sure to show you my suitcase when it's done.